So, this just came into the shop. This was actually donated to us by the local CrossNet Ministries. Now, it's confusing because you'll see HP here, Compaq here. And that's because that was when they were merging together. But this is a Compaq NX9600 complete workstation, like a desktop replacement. This originally came with Windows XP. We managed to squeeze Windows 8 on it. Windows 8 runs like dog shit on it, but it runs. I'll do a full review in another video. Look at that. Pentium 4. If you see the back, S video out. How hilarious is that? And the best part, oh yeah, and here's the power brick. Ginormous. But yeah, there's the Windows 8 boot screen. This thing actually works. Yeah, no webcam, kids. You had to buy all that shit separate back in the day. And it does take a minute to load up. It's only, I think it's only got like 2 gigs of RAM in it. Oh yeah. The DVD tray still works. Oh, that's funny. It was in the middle of a Windows update. Another thing I'd like to point out, full speakers. They do work. It's got a little bit of gunk on it. I'm in the process of cleaning this thing off. I might donate this to System Source. Yep, and there you go. Windows 8.1 boot screen. I have no idea who ESSN is. But yeah, I'll do a full review on another time. Take care.